t is equal to k times p to the power of h on c, and we need to make c the subject of the formula. So let me write that again. T is equal to k times p to the power of h on c. Okay, so now let's try to move one letter at a time and then try to make c the subject of the formula. So this is k times p to the power of h on c. So if I want to move k to the other side of the equation, the opposite of multiplying would be dividing. So now it becomes t divided by k is equal to p to the power of h on c. Okay, before we go any further, we need to know some things here. So log t to the power of x, where x is a power, is equal to x times log t. This here is one rule of logs. Okay, now x here is the power, and we can bring the x in front just like this. Also, to make x the subject of a formula where x is a power, for example, we need to take logs. Let's look at an example. T to the power of x is equal to 2. How do we make x the subject of the formula? Well, we see that x is a power, so we need to take logs. So then log of t to the power of x is equal to log 2. And now we can use the rule above. We can bring this x to the front of log. So this here would be x times log t is equal to log 2. Now, to bring log t across, this x is multiplying by log t, and the log t is multiplying by x, so the opposite of multiplying is dividing. So x is equal to log 2 divided by log t. Okay, we just assume this is base 10. It doesn't matter. Now, look at this problem here. We need to find c. We need to make c the subject of the formula, and c is a power. So what we need to do, we need to take logs. So then log of t on k is equal to log p h on c. Okay, and remember what we had done here? We had brought the x in front of the log, so now we can bring h on c in front of log, so it now becomes log t on k is equal to h on c times log p. Okay, so now if we want to move log p to the other side, the opposite of multiplying is dividing, so it now becomes log t on k divided by log p, which is equal to now h on c. Now we have one fraction on the left hand side and one fraction on the right hand side. Now we can use something that is called cross multiplying. So that's c times this and then log p times h. So I have c times log t on k is equal to h times log p. Okay, now to make c the subject of the formula, I need to move log t on k to the other side, and this log t on k is multiplying by c, so I need to do the opposite on the other side. So then that will be h times log p divided now by log t on k, and this here is your answer.